We have to have stage-based education systems. We have to deliver it at the right time. That's what I was talking about. It's not just education, it's delivered at the right time. We want to make sure that the patient can explain it back to us. If not, they're not understanding the education. That's why it has to be systematized. That's why Dr. Gunn put all this together so in a system, because it can be very overwhelming. And so that's what we're trying to show you in this playbook, that it has to be a system. Because just as hard as I like to go and work, I like to, relax and play just as much. And if you don't have a system for this, it's hard to do. Sometimes we'll just pass handouts to them. It's like one size just fits all. A lot of times we're educating our patients, but not in the specific care or lane that they're in. We're giving acute care handouts and stuff to this group and these individual on wellness, and we're giving them the same handouts. So we want to make sure that we're educating in the verticals that they're in. Okay, acute, stabilization, maintenance, wellness, whatever y'all want to, categorize it, make sure the education's in that. What helps everybody is making sure that they are getting better, they understand it, and it's not just your responsibility. It's really the patient's responsibility for their health, then the staff, and then I would say it goes back to us, because our number one responsibility is to really take care of it. So a patient who doesn't understand their plan, they will never consistently follow it, and that's why they really drop off, I'm telling you. So the way we implement this, we have to have stage-based education systems. We have to deliver it at the right time. That's what I was talking about. It's not just education, it's delivered at the right time. Multiple formats, okay? Video I feel is great, it's maybe the best. Email through apps and clinic demonstration. Automate where possible, obviously. And the content has to be tied to the care. I'm gonna say that over and over, and it needs to be tied really to a measure.